Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add games to your favorites in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and go to the game you want to add to your favorites. Once you're on the games page, you'll see a 3-dot menu at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. From there, select favorite button or simply tap on the star, and the game will be added to your favorite list. You can access your favorites anytime by going to the profile section and selecting the favorites tab. If you ever want to remove a game from your favorites, just go back to the games page and tap the star icon again. By adding your favorite games, you can easily find and play them later without having to search for them every time you log in. And that's it. Now you know how to add games to your favorites in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.